Hello everyone and welcome back. So we've been getting a lot of questions about the Argo six-wheeler, and Dad had suggested I put up a video explaining where we are in the process and what our plans are, just to keep everyone up to date. So right here beside me is the old Briggs Vanguard engine that you guys seen me pull out of the Argo, and it's actually, the case is split, it's wide open here, and I have it apart, made a whole video about it. The plan is, for the Argo, we're going to be putting in a new engine into it. Right now we're still considering, is it going to be a Predator Harbor Freight? Is it going to be the Vanguard? Is it going to be a Honda? And we're just doing a lot of research on it, seeing what is best all the way around. We did have a lot of people say good things about those Harbor Freight Predator engines, and so we're deciding what we want to do there. But that's going to be coming up here shortly. It's just I'll show you in a minute. I have a lot of other projects going on, and those engines are hard to find with all of the issues the world is having with receiving stuff from, I'm sure, across seas and everywhere else. But with this engine here, I've completely taken it apart, seen what all the internals are. We have all sorts of bags and stuff, and I'm going to rebuild this engine. Maybe we can get a golf cart or something like that for this engine. It's also just nice to have a backup, because maybe in the future we'll have something else that might call for one of these. But really there wasn't anything broken internally, just the seals on the outside, what they would consider maybe a bearing, are worn out and needed to be replaced. So the issue with this is, to get all of the different parts, I had to utilize Amazon, eBay, Argo 6x6 World, and I think the actual Briggs & Stratton website. So finding all the parts and making sure I have them all has been a little bit of a process, but we are getting there, and I believe within the next few weeks here we'll get that engine ordered up, and we'll be continuing on with hopefully buttoning up that series as well. So that's just what I wanted to explain, let you guys know that no, you didn't miss anything. It's just been a very cold winter, and there's been a lot of other projects going on, which I'll get to here, and that way we're all up to date on that part of it. So real quick here, let me flip you around just to show you all the other stuff I have going on. Here we are facing the other way. I got the chipper shredder. We just finished that video today, so I'll be getting that put up soon. I have this auger here that I made a video about that is actually, I'm editing it, and I got these two 9.8 Merc boat engines that are in different stages here getting fixed that I'm doing videos on. I also have the Clinton engine, which is sitting outside. I finally got that one running. Took a lot of finagling, so we're going to get to that as well. And I have 4 push mowers that are waiting to come in here, and I think I have another 2 or 3 snow blowers that are waiting to come in here, and a couple of leaf blowers. And it's been sourcing parts, and also, if you can imagine, oh yeah, and this backpack leaf blower. The backpack leaf blower and these two, that Argo, the Clinton engine, they're all ripped apart in various stages. And so if I keep taking on more and more, I have to be careful, because I also have to remember how to put them all back together. And you guys know I don't write stuff down or anything like that. It's all within myself. And so I'm kind of maxed out on my limit of remembering everything like that. So we are working through it, and the seasons are changing, so I might get out ice fishing a few more times this year, but that's kind of dying down. And that's why we have some of these boat motors, because that's going to be the next chapter in all of this as well. So just wanted to keep everybody up on the same page here. This video here on the ice auger will probably come out before this one, but just know I haven't forgotten. It's not it's not happening. It just is taking time to figure out how we're going to do it and how things are going to fit and what needs to fit and stuff like that. So that's really all I have to say in this video. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.